On 18th October 2022, the children of late Evansius Kek Mawlong, fondly known as Bah Kek, had organized an official launch of the book written by his late son, Ferdinand B Lyngdoh, which is entitled The Political Biography. The program that was held at the Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Mawbri, in Ri Bhoi District, witnessed a host of supporters, well-wishers, friends and family members attending the event, which also marked the 14th death anniversary of the late leader. Apart from praises of Evansius Kek Mawlong, prayers from Christian church leaders and special performances by local artists marked the occasion. The distribution of the E.K. Mawlong Academic Excellence Award 2022 was also presented to students of the area who had performed well in various examinations held during the year. Apart from the screening of a short video on the life of late Mawlong, his late wife and late son, a tribute video entitled The Man of the Masses, E.K. Mawlong, was also shown during the program. Senior citizens and supporters of late E.K. Mawlong who spoke about him also shared their experiences with the late leader, whom they termed as kind, loving and selfless.
Rengkat-rengkat ngejit yo simbol yang hari independen. Mga Worcestershire, Pangwil, Madu Bah Ike Mawlong, Habakiwan Haye Nyonga Banyas, jit yo simbol. Ba ngiyamon lang ya kasingi. Yang hagas bawlajab terhaba ulajab ngidap dengan jingkemen to haden bama I lajab tanta kawan kapor bola rung saka SSPDP gatu kanesnem haden nang tu kalawan kata kapan pentemai no tangwe gaseng PDIC SPU ban penduk no SSPDP dia ban penduk dia ban form no gaseng kasih tangwe kata kuat kadwe kada jong benai lada makla de benai wakandai asnam khat kena spa kandai konio nami kakateng UDP balak form jaga UDP mathau ni usnem kan jenglong presiden yang Bah Kek yang bagi ke Mawlong hagare ka parti UDP ka phok ka phing mat kala susting berwe ka mekhalaya kinga kumpul Masyur tak kumpul, utam sistem asnem jangan, jangan dapat nak jekman, jangan sukman hidup tak kata. But what happened yang kata jenglong, teman jenglong orang bah tu por, kerja sosial jadi pingalah kumruai ru, kakarli yang ihene po, umroh, agak panggil ruai ya kabom, mari ngelakun sosial ya kabom. But kajing syat yang pojba, but kajing keman yang pojba, kabang ngimlah siubadong. Masih saya kalau long kaji jawab ke crowd.
Nrei ngongkan 4 la ke parti kongres ngan dukhi khai. Nak terkadau hak perba ya keren hapos ketret iba di lepang iong da kumno ban penrem ya iki mulong. Ngong tang bastan bola. Nrei sisnem ngi pencob bastan da ajimut mga tre kongo yang Hadin kata ngapet no ngakersian no ya I Bah Ike Mawlong. I Bah Ike Mawlong ha jing tia. Tang bangala ya join bin nga bit ka perti rilum. Baro kilidar ki I penban ki snow ki snap ya ki cing ai jing mut jonga. Habanga ya trei tang ndre benai. I Bah Ike Mawlong idan haye. Cibon ki kam ilaisan ya ayanga. La menong peni gunuk saya kata ke ke posisi berbong ibaba lulu hak kata ke puan dingrit ngiyalek hado hati telong kumbai kumbala kham keren ban manga ban Ike Mawlong por bangilek selesai na takadau hado kan menta kecing ya de jonga bat kini ngasmokum ke yeng ke sem ke baki burom yang hado kata-kata la benong ngam nang tangwa ubi bento kibu yang advisor jong gamroi constituency.
The MLA of Umroi constituency, who is also the eldest son of late E.K. Mawlong, George B. Lyngdoh, in his address to the gathering expressed his gratitude and appreciation to all those who had taken time out to be part of the special event to observe his father's 14th death anniversary. While recalling the leadership of late Mawlong, George Lyngdoh reminded the gathering of the contribution of Bah Kek not only to the people of Umroi constituency but to the state in general.
Kadai kababiang por bangin laru ban play yang dikakot. Indiat history sipang dikakot kelong. Hagbau parau jungi Ferdinand. Hapreng joko lockdown arsna la pelut la jong kapor ban pinbit pinbiang yeladi. Ban la ban tho yang dikakot. Na kabenta ipa jungi. Kamiar hakaperteng bangin yo bau kun untuk yang kena kot history sepal jong kupa. Bat kini keladeng sisa kai bekerpa. Kabahai klimat ibakatu. Ha ka artrik Oktober arja arpuwe. Ha ka por khatwe beji. Kuyo banpa yang lembah ke WhatsApp. Ya ka final print copy ke mengiong. Kabalan de benlej pensionno. Ha ka mobile ke jongai yang kini kekot. Bar hadian siteng tentang ngitip ba umdon syopat ha kani ka slapathe kini kiba pensa anu pensa kan mau pensa ela jong upara ukala trai sitom met labat sngi maniwan ya kita denja ke jong ipa ha kini kitam jog Ri Bhoi bat ha keleng jog jela